Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I'm participating in Joe Norwood's Saturday morning makes. So I just want to share with you the tags that I made today, and then I also made some tags when I had the Discord chat with my friends. So this ones here, I showed the paper that I use these tags in my whole video last time, and this is a 12 by 12 paper that I got from a chair on top, and that paper is the paper house, and it's the Polar Express, so it's a cut aparts, and then I laminate them, and then I added my kid's name on the back, and then I put the 2022, and then I added this ribbon. Made 12 tags out of that one 12 by 12 paper. So these are the ones that I have. So it came out so cute, and this, my kids can also use this for bookmarks because they're always reading books, and sometimes they can't find bookmarks to use in their books, so they can use this. So I'm going to use this on their presents this year. So that's this one, and then I also made this. It's just the same. I made this for my youngest, so I put his name and then the 2022, the year. So that's this one. I also made these tags here, and these tags are super cute. I used this KSCRAFT Christmas tags. So it comes with these two tags here, that you layer them, and then it comes with the other this one here that goes in the middle, and then it also has the this die, the ho ho ho, and it cuts like this. I didn't use the sentiment. That's that one. So these are the ones that I made. I use paper that I have in my stash, and I use this free stamp from the Greenery from purchasing on Black Friday last year. So they sent this for free sentiment. So that's this one, and then I use Santa stickers from Michael's. So that's this one, and then on the back I did this one. I wrote to and from, and then the other ones I stamped to and from, and then I put the reinforcement, glittered reinforcement on the back and on front, and then I added this twine here. So that's that one. So they're all the same. They have sentiment inside, and these tags are super cute, and I just use my my scraps. So that's that one. That's the tags I made, and then I also made another tags using this die set here from KSCRAFT, and this one is the Christmas star tag die set. So that's that one. It has a lot of pieces. So this one turned out so adorable. I really like this. Again, I use scraps of paper that I have, and I did a gold reinforcement, and then I added this two jingle bells, red and green jingle bells, and I tied them using this very thin, I think this is a gold DMC that I have, and then the same twine that I use on these tags, and then I added this joy sentiment. This one also comes with the die set, and then I have like tiny stars here and some die cut red stars, and then on the back it looks like this. You can just add to and from when you use this tag. So that's that one. This one is poinsettia. This one is holly berries, and then another poinsettia. Super cute. I love these ones. And then the last ones that I made are this adorable gingerbread. They're also shaker, and I think I'm gonna use this on also on tags, but I haven't done that yet. But this one is so adorable. Oh my goodness. So for this one I used the ZFPARTY, and this is the cute gingerbread die set. So that's this one. These things that I use, I got them from Amazon, because I'm not comfortable buying on AliExpress, so I got them on Amazon. So that's this one. For this ones I use tiny hearts, and then I also use like a peppermint clay pieces, and then I die cut all this with glitter cardstock. So that's this one here. I made 3 of this. I'm gonna add this to a tag or something. From cutting all of these star tags, I end up having this small stars, so I think I'm gonna use this on cards too, or tags later. And these ones are already have the foam, because I also have the foam die cut. It's a good size or thickness to add to your cards or to your tags. So I have a few of this. So that's that one. And these are all the tags that I made this time and embellishments. I hope you like these tags that I made, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.